This is the most affordable and easiest cookie recipe that you can ever make. Do you know why? You do not need a mixer. You do not need a hand mix. You do not need a stand mix. You do not need butter. You do not need preservative. And you do not need to put your dough in the fridge. Stick around. Add in your icing sugar into your bowl and sift your icing sugar into your bowl. Icing sugar usually comes with little bits and pieces of lumps, so you want to sift properly to give them that, to get that smooth, fine consistency. Add in a cup of vegetable oil into your icing sugar and use your hand wicks to mix it properly. Once it becomes smooth and thoroughly mixed together, go on now to add in 2 medium to large size eggs. Your egg should be at room temperature, please. Whisk them thoroughly into your icing sugar mix, then add in your flour in a little bit and whisk your flour gradually into your butter. Once your butter starts getting a little bit thick, you're going in with your fingers. At a point, your butter becomes so thick that you can no longer whisk in your flour into your butter. At that stage, you want to take out your whisk and dig in or go in, go in with your fingers. They will do the job. They will get your dough properly together so that your ingredients can thoroughly mix into your batter, forming this thick, fine dough consistency that will be easy for you to work with. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, consider subscribing, do like and share, do comment, tell me what you think about this recipe. To my returning subscriber, I do not take your subscriptions for granted. Thank you so much. I love you guys. And you that are considering subscribing, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen. There are loads of helpful videos on baking Nigerian snacks that you see on this channel that you will not find elsewhere, I can assure you. Roll your dough till flat, not so flat. It should have some level of thickness because this dough is fragile. That's the downside. It can break apart easily. So I will advise that you work with mini portions of dough at a time. Do not use all your dough together so that you will not overwork your dough, and do not dust with too much flour. Dust with a little bit of flour at a time and gradually work with your dough in mini portions. That way they won't break apart. You can cut out your cookies whichever shape and size you choose to use. You can see the designs I made with my cookies. Just get creative and do you. You can decide to use any flavor of choice to give your cookie recipe a very unique taste and just enjoy your cookie recipe. I did not use any flavor for this recipe. You can use vanilla, milk flavor and get a unique cookie recipe that is affordable, and this will last you for 2 weeks. Yes, it will take you for 2 weeks. It won't go bad. So I have this mini cookie pouch that I'm just putting my cookies in to store. So if you're thinking of starting that cookie business that is affordable, that won't stress you, this recipe should be what you should be looking at. They look so good, they look so yummy, and they are so enjoyable. And if you're thinking of a cookie recipe that I use butter, I have one. Is at the end screen. Click on that video and see you in my next one. God bless you.